this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and welcome to Hooked on Nails, a monthly collaboration that us ladies from YouTube and a few from Instagram have come together to put on. This month's theme is going to be winter. I know it's a little early, but you know it's going to be here soon enough. I have ombre the nails, as you can see here. I've already did 3 water slides on the nails. They are a product from Charlie's Nail Art, charliesnailart.co.uk, and I am a brand ambassador for. My code is Nailed It 10, I believe it is. If I'm wrong, either way, I'll put it across the bottom of the screen. These are the water slides that I am using from Charlie's. I think these are a beautiful winter theme. The products I've used are Base and Top Coat is by Beauty. This is the American brand of Humic. Let me see. Underneath there is, under the purple here, I put a blue, which is the Model 1's Neons. This is number 032. On top of that, I put Diva in a Bottle's purple, which is number 726, I believe, from Fallicious. And it is this gorgeous purple color, which came out to give us these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. The white that I used was from iMethod, which, where is it? You can find all these companies, the nail polish companies you can find on Amazon, Charlie's, I told you to link to that, and everything is in my description box, as always, all my discount codes, the companies that I use. So, we are going to jump in with our water slides. We are going to put down some water here. We're going to slide these puppies on. Give them a little bit of a soaking. Let them soak here for just, they should have did this while I was talking. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. We will also be adding some beautiful bling onto our nails. Hopefully you can see, and hopefully they do sparkle. We'll be doing that at the tail end of our video. Down in the comments, there will be a comment pinned. It will be the playlist to this collaboration, where you can watch everyone's video that took part. The ladies had just did photos you'll find on Instagram, where you can go check everybody out there, as well as my photos of, you know, everybody that took part in the collaboration. Our photos will be on Instagram. On Instagram, I am just.nailedit. So please go look for me there. Give me a follow. If you haven't already subscribed here, I invite you to do so. Please click the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up. That would really help a lot. It would mean a great deal to me. Our water decals are ready. Oh boy, which nail's which? Okay. Now sometimes the backing does come up with, just slide it off, it's no big deal. Now you do want to dab this off on a lint-free surface. Oopsie. Line this up on the nail where you would like it to end and start. Sometimes the water slides are a little bit bigger than the nail. That's why I like to do an ombre. Give it some background color. I think it looks really nice. I think I'm gonna sneeze. No, please forgive me. Whoops. I've been doing that a lot lately. Like yesterday, it was like 5, 6 times throughout the whole day, and I figured, God, don't let me be coming down with something. It's the last thing I need. We're hoping my mother's going to be discharged soon, where she can come home and I can take care of her. So please say prayers for my mom. Those are always, always appreciated. She fell a little over a month ago and broke her leg, and she's been in a rehab center ever since October. She fell September 17th, 2021. This is November 1st, and she's still in the rehab center. Those places are not what they're cracked up to be. That's a whole nother conversation. I could go on about that one of my disappointment, my outrage about it for a good hour. So we're going to be using our No Wipe Top Coat by Beauty. I'm going to put, like I said, some bling on top of the nails. To give your nails a nice, healthy top coat. Make them look pretty and glossy. I love a nice, glossy nail. And who doesn't, right? Let me go this one more time. Feel like I smudged it. And our thumbnail. When you're going through the playlist, please watch everybody's video in full. That would really help everybody out a lot. Like me, I'm monetized. All the commercials, the ads that come through, please let them play. If it's like a 3-minute ad, by all means, skip. Skip. So I'm going to go through, not on all the nails, but on some, I'm going to add a sparkle here and there. Shoot. Just add a gem or two. Yeah, that's too big. Too big, too big. Trying to decide what size and which ones I want to use. That's too small. I think I'm just going to put 3 here. I don't have a whole lot of ones this size that I can use. So I'm just going to stagger them here at the top a little bit. Like I said, I don't have a whole lot of these out. How does that look? I feel like we need a couple more. Just a couple more. Whoops. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Can't really see this nail too well. Over here, I think, whoops. Yeah, one more would be in order over here. There. So, I do have some littles in here as well, which I do love the littles. So never have too many of the tiny, tiny ones. Never have too many of them. Of course, you can never have too much bling either. Can never have too much bling. Never. So we have gotten through Halloween. We have gotten, I can't remember what date this video is going to go up, but I'm pretty sure we should have gotten through Thanksgiving as well. If not, happy Thanksgiving to all. Either way, happy Thanksgiving. Can't see too well here. Can't see. One more littles. There, let me fix these and we'll be all set. There we go. I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Give these a full cure. Can't believe this took me 11 minutes so far. Yowza. We are back and fresh out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. I think these turned out really cute. They're water slides again from charliesnailart.co.uk. Use my 10% off code to save yourself some coins. I think these turned out really cute. A little bit of added bling to each nail. And hopefully you can see the sparkle. It's hard to see on my camera. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my winter themed nails for Hooked on Nails for the month of November 2021. So yeah, please subscribe. Click all on the notification bell, and please give the video a thumbs up. That would really help my channel out a lot. If you're new here, please leave me a comment. That way I know that you came through and we can get to know each other a little bit better. I'd really appreciate it. As always, everyone, I'm sorry about that. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.